Today I'm going to show you how to get this beautiful glow with your pan pastels and colored pencils. Tip 1. Start with a clean foundation. Sketch your design on tracing paper, then use transfer paper to move it onto the black paper. This keeps your lines crisp and your surface free of eraser marks. Perfect for that professional finish. Tip 2. Build a vibrant background. I applied ultramarine blue pan pastels for the sky, fading into purple, and then I added black at the bottom for depth. If it looks streaky, grab a soft tool round sponge to blend horizontally. This creates a smooth, cloud-like transition. Vertical streaks scream mistake, so keep it horizontal for that intentional, dreamy, I meant to have a line there effect. Tip 3. Keep soft elements soft. For delicate, soft leaves, I use pan pastels. They're ideal for those gentle, blended areas where colored pencils might feel a bit too harsh. Watch how easy it is to nail that soft look with the pan pastels and soft tools. Tip 4. Make that glow bold. When depicting the lantern's glow on nearby branches, don't hold back. The orange near the light source should be very, very vivid and fiery, not a muted brown. Go bright and go bold to capture that radiant effect. I mixed orange and red to get this bold, bright color. Tip 5. Embrace sharp contrasts. The lantern's top and bottom are in deep shadow. Let them stay dark. Don't force details where there are none in your reference photo. Where the orange glow meets the black, keep those edges sharp. Blending them creates muddy tones and kills the glow's impact. Sharp lines make that light feel real. Are you enjoying these tips? You can sign up and follow along with me pencil stroke by pencil stroke with this and over 400 other lessons for just $6 a month. That's a lot of lessons for not a lot of dollars. Let me help you take your work to the next level. Tip 6. Lock in your pan pastels. After laying down your pan pastel base, lightly mist it with Spectrafix using a fine mist sprayer, not the original bottle that it comes in, to avoid those heavier droplets. The Spectrafix will cause the paper to warp when wet, but because I've taped that Canson Mi-10s to my drawing board with an acid-free masking tape, when I dry it with a hairdryer, it will come out perfectly flat. Spraying with the Spectrafix seals the pan pastels to help ensure that the colored pencils adhere without blending into the pan pastel base layers too much. Tip 7. Add details with colored pencil. Use sharp pencils and firm pressure for crisp edges and fine details. For softer transitions, ease up on the pressure to let the pan pastel base shine through. It's all about balance. Tip 8. Master lighting on black paper. Colors on black paper appear darker, so to make your lantern's glow pop, push the surrounding darks even darker. That high contrast tricks the eye into seeing brighter lights, perfect for a glowing effect. Tip 9. Don't assume, observe. A common mistake is assuming that parts of the lantern, like the wire frame, should just be solid black. Look closely at your reference photo. That wire shifts from red to orange, black, and even white where the light hits it. Trust what you see, not what you think you know, to avoid a flat, cartoonish result. Tip 10. This is probably the most important. Paint with me. Want to draw this step by step? Join me over at patreon.com/Lachri, where you'll get this project plus over 400 others for just $6 a month. Let's take your art to the next level together. Want more pan pastel and colored pencil tips? Check out this video next.